If you've opened Instagram and noticed that not all songs are showing in your music sticker, I'm gonna show you a simple way to get all your songs back. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Now, next, clear the app cache. On iPhone, you can do this by offloading the app. Go to your device's settings, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage and scroll down to find Instagram. Tap on it and select Offload app. After that, reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Next, if your account is new or a business account, switch to a personal account. Sometimes business accounts don't have access to the full Instagram music library. Finally, log out and log back into Instagram. Sometimes a simple re-login refreshes your music library and brings all the missing songs back. And that's all. These steps should help you get all your Instagram songs back. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.